Hi friends, in case you're wondering what that is, if you can't tell, I always keep toilet paper in my truck because you never know. It's good to have. There's your tip today. I've got my fresh coffee. Let's get to it. The channel's taken off, but maybe we could add a little something to it to get some more attention to our thumbnails. Yeah, I was just thinking that I noticed on some of the other channels they have some interesting thumbnails. Nice to have a little extra help around here every now and then. Maybe we could figure out some way to add a little extra help and bring some heat to those thumbnails, you know what I mean? I got a couple ideas in mind. I'm carrying over lumber that I milled the other day. Some of it will be used for the strapping and some of it will be used to do other things. It looks really nice and I'm probably going to use it somewhere.
So is that part of the roof? I thought that...
There were a few of you that had questions about the inside of the window. It needs to be trimmed and insulated. I left plenty of gap above the window for shrinkage. If a gap starts to open up here, because this piece is preventing the top log from shrinking with the rest of the cabin, I'll just remove whatever trim piece is here and shave this down with the saw. This is my second night shift of 3, and then I have 2 days off. Originally, when I started building this, I was only going to use this covered area as a porch. Throughout the construction process, my mother has decided for me that she would like this to be completely enclosed and heated and insulated as well. The plan will be to eventually open this up to a set of French doors that will double the cabin size by having all of this become the cabin now. That being what it is, I'm going to have to run some of these roofing boards as stringers across here so that I can bring the height of the porch roof equal for the strapping when I go to put the tin on. Can't have anything that's uneven or it will look terrible. Hey Mark, can you come here for a second?
Inside?
No. Just need... Would you mind starting a fire so we can burn some of the garbage on the outside of the cabin? 3 times 3 is 9. Take away 3 is 6. Now you know. That was dumb. Don't do it like that. If anyone was ever wondering how much experience I have at being a handyman, I only just now realized that the top of a stepladder has the perfect indent to hold a can, or like a paint can. What a fantastic idea. Pretty sure I brought one too many boards up here just in case one fell anyway. funny thing about these lights is that my mom loves them and she loves putting them up. And the one time at the start of this project, she suggested using them and I said, no, they'll just get in the way. They ended up serving the purpose perfectly that night. They lit everything up so I could see, and ever since, they've been in my way. But since she was right about it the very first time, it means I can never say anything for the rest of my life. And these lights will just always be on every project going forward, directly in the way. I've just accepted it. They do look nice at night though. Well, the old GoPro cut out on me there right at the end. I did manage to get all these little ties into place. Basically, they're just going to act as supports for the strapping that I intend to put the tin roof on. Because all I used were logs, I didn't waste a whole lot of time worrying about how level or square everything is. My intention is to make sure that the strapping is square. So as I put the strapping out, I'll come out with a level line and I'll shim it up wherever it needs to be. And that way the strapping will be square. Doesn't matter what shape the roof is underneath it. When I put the tin on, it should be golden. Anywhere you see spaces and imperfection, that's supposed to be there. And that's what trim is for. See you tomorrow.
What is it?
Well, that's a Australian boomerang Death Star by the looks of it.
You're so full. Alex, what is it?
It looks like a coat hanger for little people.
No, I'm not sure what this is, but it's interesting.
It looks like it might be a way to help someone put on really small fitting cowboy boots. It's an adjustable one-legged crutch.
Don't you have to go to work?
Yeah?
Bye.
Okay. Don't you want to know what it is?
Yeah, I do. Tell me.
I'll tell you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Okay, hold it up again. Let me see what it is. You know what that is?
Pad
No,
on the
see,
bottom.
yeah, so the little pads. Okay.
It doesn't. No, Alex.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah. And now tilt it towards you. Now tilt it back. Oh, now you broke it. I think it's the leg for a TV stand.
I'm going to Google that.
Who's it made by?
It says Cam UL BN63 whatever.
Yeah, Cameo BN63. That's all the people that make the TV stuff.
Go to work. Go to work. Bye. I love you.
All right. Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
Some of this will be used for... I hate when I go... I notice things like that now when I'm watching. It drives me insane. I say so and and I can't stand it. It drives me insane every time I see it. If I could slap myself, I would.
Well, let me do it for you.
Yep. Well, I can't. These are expensive glasses.
Oh, okay.